Yo, what is going on, guys? Orion Tech Tips here, back at it with another video. I know I haven't been posting in a while, so I thought today I'd give you guys a room tour. The hardware itself really hasn't changed, but the design and where I place things has, so I thought it'd be pretty cool. I've also moved. A couple of you guys have requested a room tour, so I thought I'd give one to you. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around. Sorry if I seem a little bit low energy. Kind of tired, just got back from the gym. But, we'll see. Okay, so I have the camera on my door. First thing, I usually hang like hats, coats, whatnot on those hooks. I have them all in my closet. I'm not going to open it just because, maybe in a different video. I'll show you guys like my actual clothing wardrobe. But okay, so we have the Canada flag. That's right when you come in, the first thing you see is the Canada flag. This isn't actually a real flag. It's actually a banner. I do have a real flag in my room. I will show you guys that in a sec. So let's see here. Got some cards, some water. Here are like my everyday accessories I just grabbed. So we have my gloves and my hat, some hand sanitizer and a mask. And then we have some wrist accessories, my glasses. Reading glasses, clear ones. We have a quarter, I don't know what that's doing there, in an AirPods case. We have the Orcam read here. Yes, I am planning to do another video with that and give you guys more of an explanation because I still don't feel like I've given you the full story of it. So sorry about that. We have a fast charger and the Orcam read charger. I have a comment to make about charging the Orcam read, but I will mention that in the next video I make about the Orcam read. So we have some lint rollers, some stays for your shirt, and then a D-pillar right there. Not much else. Okay, so cover that. Okay, so I'll cover here next. So here we got two photos of my grandfather. We got a crystal, and then we got the cruise ship I went on, which with these celebrity eclipse. Was actually the cruise ship name. Definitely a great cruise ship. I was there for around 20 days on that cruise ship. Very, very nice. I probably should have made a video. I was like 14, about to turn 15 in like a week. I should have made a video, but I had a good experience. You could have like stayed on the ship for like months. But I got like the shortest time there, just because I was in school at the time, celebrating my grandmother's 80th birthday, which I should have a photo of her, but I don't. These photos are quite old. There's me, I don't know how old I was, but young, and there's me as a baby. Yeah, okay, so then we have my lamp. I've had that forever. And this I recently inherited for like a Christmas present for my grandmother. Very, very nice. You can make it into like 50 different shapes. It's super, super cool. I really like it. It's kind of like a advanced Rubik's Cube. So then here we got some stuff in my closet. Portuguese water dog, which is... I have a Portuguese water named Hershey. You may have seen her in a few videos. And then we have my frog. I got that a while ago at a music store. I don't regret it. It was a very good purchase. We have my AirPods case. The reason why I like to hold on to cases is because they actually broke. The right one would not charge, and then they went into Apple, and then they said, in order for us to repair it for free, you need to prove that you bought it. You need to bring in the case with the barcode on it. So thank God I had the case. So I'm holding on to that just for that warranty sake. And then we have the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Yes, I will definitely bring you guys another video. I have some thoughts to share. And then we have a spare USB Type-C charger. We have the Orcam Read box, and then we have some Nintendo Switch games. We have a Harlem Globetrotters signed basketball back. Ooh, I think it was in like 2013, 2014. The signatures are starting to wear, but I kept the ball. I moved. Oh, I've moved so many houses, but that basketball has stayed in shape. And then we have two baseballs. One of them is signed by a Oregon State College player, so I kept that signed by the pitcher, so it's very, very nice. And then here, I do have a mirror, so this is like a full body mirror, so very, very nice. And then I did say I had one real flag in my room, and that is the American flag. This thing is nice. I got this from my grandfather. Ooh, maybe it was like 7, 8. But I've had this thing for a long, long time. It is actually quite nice. And then we do have some LED lights around the room. I got 4 strips, so like 1, 2, 3. However, the 4th did not stick, so I don't really have a way, because you can only connect 2 at a time before like the power shorts out, and the power supply is all the way over there. Okay, I'm giving you guys a seizure, so I'm sorry about that. I'll get to these shelves. So I have, first thing I have is like my knife collection. So I got these, most of these I got when I was 7 years old at Chinatown. So these 3 plus this dragon I got when I was 7 at San Francisco Chinatown, I'll be more exact. These 2 things I got when I was 7, these 2 mini swords I got when I was 7 at Chinatown, and we have some U.S. Navy challenge coins that I did inherit. We have a lot of these knives, multi-tools that I've inherited. So we have Victoria, Canada, Whistler, Canada, and Mount Rainier, Washington State. And then this Remington 1187 pump. Is it? I believe that's definitely my most expensive knife here. I got from my grandfather. He actually bought the exact same shotgun, and it came with a knife. And he's like, I don't need the knife, even though it has extremely high value. He just gave it to me, which is very, very nice of him. And yeah, so that's definitely very thankful for that. So yeah, it is worth quite a lot of money, but he had the knife already that he bought. He bought the shotgun, then it came with the knife for free, so it wasn't really at an expense to him, so thank you for that. And this one I got from my grandfather around the same time, and then this one I got when I was 10 years old, or was I 10? Or was I younger? It was like, 8 to 10, I'll say, but I all of these knives I had, and then all of these I've got when I went to a road trip when I was 11. So all of these knives, and then I recently, when I was for my 15th birthday, I want to say, my grandfather gave me a Swiss Army knife, Swiss multi-tool. I just keep it in my bag. Sorry, my camera just crashed. I have it on a tripod, so like I'm trying to like keep it still. I just trained my arms, so like my arms are shaking from the gym. That kind of sucks. Hopefully it doesn't come across in video. I don't have a gimbal, but I do have a tripod, so it should help a little bit. And I do have a... Oh, and I meant to mention, this is a World War II bond, $25 bond. Definitely went a lot of ways there, so very, very nice. We have a light, definitely helps with the lighting. We have a Telus modem. I do have a micro USB, so if I want to like charge some micro USB stuff. And then you have wired Ethernet to my PC. And then this is where I like keep the lights. And then I also have a dream catcher, which I got at the Crazy Horse Museum a while back. And also back to this flag. I will say, again, why you have this flag if I live in Canada. The truth is, so I got this when I lived in the United States, and then when I moved to Canada, I just got the Canada banner. However, this flag is definitely nicer, so I keep it in the back as a bag. I couldn't decide, do I want the American flag or the Canadian flag as my video background, and I just chose the American flag just because I kind of like the design better. And also I have a Let's Go Brandon banner, which is pretty cool. It's like the same texture as a Canadian flag. And it just fell. Should probably hook it back up. And then judging on, so the hardware setup itself really just stayed the same. This chair has seen better days. I've considered, should I buy a chair? And I'm kind of deciding if I should or shouldn't. And the truth is, if I don't, why shell out like a few $100 extra if this one still performs fine? It may not look the best, but it still performs fine. So if I don't need one, should I really shell out the money? Probably not. But, I'm still deciding. And then we have the same Sennheiser HD600s, the Razer Siren microphone, Razer Death Owl, and here are my AirPods with the very nice case, and then the carabiner hook, very, very nice. And then we have a USB Type-C fast charger charging them. Logitech G213 keyboard, same one. Dell 1080p 60Hz monitors, 1 millisecond response time, same one. And the Microsoft HD 720p webcam, same one. IKEA lamp with wireless charging. Black Pluma hat, box from the LED lights. I should actually throw those away. Some paperwork, some miscellaneous pencil in my pencil drawer, my calculator, scientific. It's actually a very, very nice calculator. Yeah, I definitely like it a lot. And then we have my shaker bottle right there. Make sure to stay hydrated. So yeah, this lamp has a 5-watt wireless charger. It's very, very slow, so I don't really use it. Instead, I use like my 15-watt fast. Maybe it's an 18-watt. Yeah, I think it's an 18-watt fast wireless charger. What else can I go over? Then we have I do have a loft bed over here. It's a full-size loft bed, and then I can go over some other stuff. So I have some books, Warning Security Dog. I think it's funny because it's a miniature schnauzer. I have a miniature schnauzer named Chewy, who's 5, Nintendo Switch. I didn't want to hang it up outside just because it seems unfriendly, and it really doesn't help with security. I mean, yeah, it just seems unfriendly, so I didn't really want to do that. If you want, security, install some cameras and, an alarm system, then that will help, but do not get this sign for security, because it will just make you seem unfriendly. And then we have this gold chain I got back when I was in 6th grade. We have this other bracelet that I got from my grandfather when he went to Israel. I have this, which I made in metalworking class. I have the Orcam necklace, and then here I have some tie clips. These are very, very nice. One of them is an 18 karat gold, so I like that a lot. I don't wear it just because I don't really like having valuable stuff on me, but yeah. Anyway, so Versace box, and then the 2 fragrances I have are a 100ml Versace Dylan Blue, a 30ml Versace Dylan Blue, and then a 100ml Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette concentration. Obviously the Dylan Blue only comes in the Eau de Toilette, but then you can get, for the Sauvage, you can get the Eau de Parfum or the Elixir concentration. So, yeah, I mean, I predict, because I know Versace did a lot of, I know this isn't really a cologne video, but Versace did a lot of, Eros thing. They did the Eau de Parfum, and they did the Flame. So I predict Dylan Blue will come next. We have a coin purse. I got different types of currency there, from different countries, they're coins. We have the Seattle Seahawks. I mean, I just got this because I thought it looked cool. I like a farmer's market. It was like $10. We have Snowy. I got him since he was 10, since I was 7. Ooh, it's been 10 years. Oh my god. We have Domo. We have a Pelican. I got the aquarium. I got this in San Francisco. This is the aquarium. I have a motorcycle thing I think is pretty cool. And then also I kept this Tintin thing of Snowy. I don't know why I've kept it so long. And you have the RGB lights controller. What, did I miss anything? And then I will say I still have the Citizen Eco Drive I got when I was 14. So a lot of this stuff I've had for a while. But yeah, no, this is the Citizen Eco Drive titanium 38mm Eco Drive. So like it a lot. I should do an update video on that. I forgot to. But yeah. What else? So yeah, I do have wired Ethernet to the PC. This is the Same RX 588 gig, 32 gigs RAM, 2 terabyte mechanical disk drives, and then a 256 gig SSD. I have a computer I can use spare parts for, or I might just sell it, but I might consider throwing in some new parts and just upgrading that. This is a Dell OEM pre-built, so keep that in mind. It's definitely not a custom built. What else can I go over? Yeah, I actually, okay, I think this might be it for the room tour. Let me know if there's anything I missed. Oh, and then we have a Canadian quarter that I taped to my room. Yeah, this is like the background that you see most of the time. Pretty much, yeah, so I got that a few years ago. That's been, I probably had that for like 10 years. This I recently got for a buddy for my 17th birthday. So I've had that, the Let's Go Brandon flag, for a while. It is like a US related flag, or it is a US flag. So I didn't think I needed it, but it looks pretty cool, and I definitely do like it. Speakers, Logitech, right there. We have a Corsair extended mouse mat. Is there anything? I don't think there's anything I'm missing. We have an Ideas hat. I covered. We have a guitar hook. Oh, I have another hook. Oh, and then we have the Division wallpaper. Which I think is pretty... I don't really play the Division, but I do certainly think it is a really good looking game. Just like Metro Exodus. I played both of them. I played Metro Exodus. Definitely the best looking game I own on PC. I really do like it. And then we do have some windows. So I guess it's dark outside, so I can't really show you guys. But sometimes they do open, and then we have a door that leads directly outside. So if I just want to go directly outside without going through my room, I can just go through here. And this is locked, so it's not like a safety hazard. But yeah, okay, I think that's it. Turn the camera around. Alright, so where should I stand? Stand like right. Okay, here's like a good spot to stand. Oh, but then you can see me. Okay, so anyway, if you liked that video, remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your thoughts on the video are, and if I missed anything, I'll be sure to cover it. I haven't posted in weeks, so I do apologize for that. Just as an FYI, I am on spring break, so keep that in mind. I can upload more. I will try to upload more because I'm on spring break, and yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. If you made it to the end of this video, 2 gold stars for you. You're amazing. Okay, peace out.